In last video, we have seen coordinate geometry and also the basic terms and the concept that is used in coordinate geometry. So today we will be doing the exercise 3.2 in this video. So the question is, write the answer of each of the following question. What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines? So horizontal line and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane. So you know a Cartesian plane, it can be divided into 4 parts by using 2 lines, and the horizontal line is called as x-axis and the vertical line is called as y-axis. So the name of the horizontal line is x-axis and the name of the vertical line is y-axis. Now next question, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these 2 lines? So the Cartesian plane will be divided into 4 parts like this: first part, second part, third part and fourth part, and each part is called as quadrant. So what is the name of each part of the plane? Each part of the plane is called as quadrant. Write the name of the point where these 2 lines intersect. That means x-axis and the y-axis intersect at this point, and this point is called as origin. Now the second question is, see the figure and write the following. You can see a figure here. Now it is a Cartesian plane and it is divided into 4 parts by using 2 line segment. One is horizontal line is x-axis and the vertical line is y-axis. We have to answer these questions. The coordinates of B. So find out where is B. Coordinates of B means, you know, coordinates will be written within the bracket separated by commas. First you have to write x coordinate. So what is the coordinate of B? -5. Then your hand should move towards y-axis. So it is -5, 2. Same way, what is the coordinate of C? So first find out the alphabet. This is B, this is D. Where is C? Here C is lying here in the 4th quadrant. So what is the coordinate of C? I have to write first x-axis, x coordinate you should write. So first bracket 5. Then your hand should move towards y-axis. So it is -5. Next one. The point identified by the coordinate -3, -5. So here you should write the alphabet. Which is the point identified by -5? So first I'll find out -5. So -3, then -5. So this is -3, -5. So which is that point identified by -3, -5? It is E. So I'll write E. Next, the point identified by the coordinates 2, -4. So 2, -4. So here it is 2, -4. So it is, the point is denoted as G. Now what is the abscissa of the point D? So where is D? First you have to identify. Abscissa is nothing but x coordinate. So what is the x coordinate of D? 6. So the abscissa of the point D is 6. Same way, next one, the ordinate of the point H. First identify the point H. Ordinate means y coordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate. So what is the y coordinate of point H? This is x coordinate. Don't write that. Y coordinate is -3. Next one, the coordinate of the point L. So where is L now? We have to identify L. So L is here. So how will you, this is on y-axis. So how will you name this? The coordinate of the point L. X coordinate is 0 because it is, first you have to identify x coordinate. Then you have to identify the y coordinate. So it is 0, 5. So L is nothing but 0, 5. Next, the coordinate of the point M. So M is here. So x coordinate is -3, and since it is lying on x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. So it is -3, 0. So you have to remember 2 things here. First thing is, if the point is lying on y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. If the point is lying on x axis, y coordinate will be 0. So these two things you have to keep in your mind. The coordinates of a point on the x-axis are of the form x0 and that of point on the y-axis are of the form 0y. So let's verify this. If you want to mark the point 2, 0, where it will be, first your hand should move towards x-axis. So 2 is here and y-coordinate is 0. So the coordinate of the point on the x-axis are of the form x0. So this 2, 0 will lie on x-axis. Now same way, minus 2, 0, where it will be lying, it will be also lying on x-axis, minus 2 and the y-coordinate is 0. So this is minus 2, 0. Now 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 means 0. If x-coordinate is 0, then it will lie on y-axis. So 0 minus 2. And 0, 2. 0, 2 means it will be lying here. So if x coordinate is 0, it will be lying on y-axis. Y coordinate is 0, it will be lying on x-axis. Now 0, 0 means it will be here in the origin. Next 0, 1. X coordinate is 0, so it will lie on y-axis. So 0, 1 means it will be lying here. Minus 1, 0. That means y coordinate is 0, so it will be lying on x-axis. So minus 1, 0 will be lying here. And finally 1, 0. 1, 0 means again y coordinate is 0, so it will be lying on x-axis. So 1, 0. So thank you for watching the video.